Hello, everyone, and welcome to English Made Easy, the podcast that helps you learn English in a fun and simple way. My name is Sunny.
And I'm Lillian. We are so happy you are here with us today.
Today, we have a very important topic. It's something you can use every single day. We are going to talk about our day.
That's right, Sunny. Talking about your day is a basic conversation skill. You can talk to your friends, your family, or your colleagues at work.
Exactly. It helps you connect with people, and it is a great way to practice your English.
In this episode, we will use simple words and short sentences. We will speak slowly so you can understand everything. Are you ready?
I think they are. Let's begin. Okay, Lillian, let's start with you. Tell me about a typical morning for you. What time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 7 o'clock. I am not a morning person.
Me neither. So 7 o'clock, what is the first thing you do?
The first thing I do is check my phone, just for a few minutes.
I think many people do that.
Yes, then I get out of bed, I go to the bathroom, I brush my teeth, and I wash my face with cold water. It helps me wake up.
Cold water. That's a good tip. And after that?
After that, I take a quick shower. Then I go to my closet and I choose my clothes for the day. I get dressed.
Right, so you are clean and dressed. Is it breakfast time then?
Yes, it is. I go to the kitchen to make breakfast. I am not very hungry in the morning, so I eat something small.
What do you usually have?
I usually have a cup of coffee with milk and a piece of toast with jam.
Coffee and toast, a classic breakfast.
It is. Sometimes if I have more time, I eat yogurt with fruit, like bananas or strawberries.
That sounds delicious and very healthy.
It is. While I eat breakfast, I check my emails. Then, at about 8:30, I pack my bag, put on my shoes and my coat, and I leave my house to go to work.
A busy morning.
It is a busy morning. What about you, Sunny? Tell us about your morning today. Was it a typical morning?
Yes, it was. My morning was good, thank you. I wake up a little earlier than you. I wake up at 6 o'clock every day.
Wow, 6 o'clock is very early. Why so early?
Because I like to exercise in the morning. I go for a run in the park near my house. The park is quiet and beautiful in the morning.
That sounds lovely. I don't run in the morning. I am too tired.
It helps me feel awake and gives me energy for the day. After my run, I come home and take a shower. Then I make a big breakfast.
Oh, a big breakfast? What do you eat?
I like to eat 2 boiled eggs, some toast, and I drink a big glass of orange juice. Breakfast is my favorite meal.
I see. A good breakfast for an active person.
Exactly. Then, like you, I get ready for work. I usually leave my house around 8 o'clock.
Okay, so we both start our work in the morning. Let's talk about the afternoon. What do you do at work in the afternoon, Sunny?
My afternoons are usually very busy. I work in a big office with many people.
I see.
Around noon, I start to feel hungry, so at 1 o'clock I have my lunch break. It's 1 hour long.
What do you eat for lunch? Do you go to a restaurant?
Sometimes, but usually I bring food from home. I eat a sandwich or a salad at my desk. It is cheaper and faster.
That makes sense.
After lunch, I have meetings with my colleagues. We talk about our work and our projects. Sometimes the meetings are long. When I am not in a meeting, I work on my computer. I write a lot of emails and I make some phone calls. The afternoon goes by very fast. I finish work at 5 o'clock.
A typical office day. My day is a little different.
Oh yes, you work from home. What is your afternoon like?
Well, I am a writer, so I am at home all day. In the afternoon, I sit at my computer in my home office and I write. It is very quiet.
Quiet sounds nice. Is it difficult to work from home? Wow, that sounds so peaceful. My office is always so noisy. People are talking, phones are ringing. Sometimes it's hard to concentrate. Do you ever miss being around colleagues?
Sometimes I have to be disciplined, but I like it. I take a short break around 3 o'clock. I make a cup of tea and I eat a biscuit.
A tea break is always a good idea. It helps you refresh your mind.
I agree. After my tea, I work for 2 more hours. I usually finish my work at 5:30 in the evening.
So it's 5:30 and you are finished with work. What is a typical evening like for you, Lillian?
After I turn off my computer, I like to relax for a little bit. I listen to music or a podcast.
That's a good way to switch from work time to free time.
Yes, then around 7 o'clock, I start to cook dinner. I really enjoy cooking. It's creative.
That's great. What did you cook yesterday?
Yesterday, I made chicken soup with vegetables. It was delicious. After dinner, I cleaned the kitchen and washed the dishes.
The not so fun part.
Haha, yes. After that, my evening is free. I usually watch a movie on TV or I read a book. I love reading.
What kind of books do you read?
I like to read novels and history books. Reading helps me relax before I go to sleep. I usually go to bed at about 11 o'clock.
That sounds like a perfect calm evening.
It is. So, Sunny, what about you? What do you usually do in the evenings?
Well, my evenings are a little different. 2 or 3 times a week, I go to the gym after work.
The gym. You run in the morning and go to the gym in the evening. You have so much energy.
Ha! I try to stay healthy. On the other days, I just go home. When I get home, I am usually hungry, so I make a quick and easy dinner. Maybe some pasta or chicken with a salad.
Quick and easy is good after a long day.
It is. After dinner, I like to call my family or a friend. It's nice to talk to someone. Then I might watch some videos online or listen to music. I don't watch a lot of TV. I go to bed a little earlier than you, around 10:30.
So there you have it. That is a look at our typical day. You can see we use very simple sentences to describe our actions.
That's right. Let's do a quick review of some key words and phrases. For the morning, you can use phrases like I wake up at, I brush my teeth, I have breakfast, and I go to work.
Yes, and for the afternoon, you can talk about your job. You can say, I work in an office, I work from home, I have lunch at 1 o'clock, or I finish work at 5.
And for the evening, some useful phrases are I cook dinner, I watch TV, I read a book, and I go to bed. Remember to use I to talk about yourself.
A great way to practice is to describe your own day. You can tell a friend, or you can write it in a notebook. What did you do this morning? What will you do tonight?
That's a fantastic idea. Practice is the best way to improve. Well, that is all the time we have for today's episode.
Thank you so much for listening to English Made Easy. We really hope this lesson was helpful for you.
Join us again next time for another easy and useful lesson. Goodbye for now.
Goodbye, everyone, and have a great day.